On Monday, the Indian Oil Corporation Limited, in coordination with the Meghalaya State Prisons Department, had formally launched a coaching camp in carrom board and volleyball for the 75 inmates of the Shillong District Jail. The initiative was jointly inaugurated by Inspector General Prisons M. KHARKRANG and IOC Limited Executive Director and State Head of District Prisons and Correctional Services Shillong G. RAMESH. The camp is part of the Parivartan Prison to Pride initiative of the Indian Oil Corporation Limited to train inmates in select sports in various prisons across 10 states. Addressing the gathering, the Inspector General Prisons M. KHARKRANG said that the initiative of the Indian Oil Corporation Limited through the sports coaching camp will not only help improve physical being of the inmates but more so their mental being as well.
We do have a space for coaching of volleyball. We do have a space for coaching of badminton, though not football. But other places there, like say Tura prisons and Juwai prisons, we have ample space. So the space that you're looking at is Shillong district prisons only. And yes, I do agree with you. There's a positive space here, so that's why we are looking at games where we can accommodate.